One of the main reasons we fail to lose fat when we're dieting is due to hunger. When we're in a deficit and our calories start to get low and our appetite increases, usually we turn to snacking as a solution to fix that. And it's not that snacking itself is inherently bad, but what I've learned from over the years of coaching clients is the majority of us just choose the wrong foods to snack on. So what I want to share with you is something that I'll teach all of our coaching clients, which is how to strategically snack on high volume, low calorie foods. And this is going to allow you to stay full for longer periods of time by eating more food on the same amount of calories. So what I have here is a list of some of the most common foods that our clients come to us eating. Peanut butter, dates, chips, cookies, Oreos, Pop-Tarts, trail mix, nuts. Now what you just saw was 150 calories worth of those foods. And I guarantee you're eating a whole lot more because you're probably not tracking that, right? You don't have to completely remove these from your diet because I think it is important to eat the foods that you like. Just don't use them as a go-to snack. Here's a look at some of the foods that our clients are eating for the same amount of calories. Strawberries, melon, carrots, asparagus, spinach. All of those are 150 calories worth of food, but you can see that it's literally 5 to 10 times the amount of food as those high calorie options. Start making some of these swaps so that you can stay full for longer periods of time while you're dieting. If you need help with losing fat on a plant-based diet, tap the link in the bio to apply for coaching. We'd love to be able to guide you to your goals. Catch you in the next one.